Hi, friends. Welcome back to Sakha Kautzarasky, where every day is full of fun, learning, and smiles. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. Today's lesson is all about the morning magic. Get ready for school. Let's learn the steps we take to start the day right. Are you ready to get ready? Let's go! Step 1. Wake up and stretch. The sun is shining. It's time to rise and shine. Open your eyes, stretch your arms high, and say, "Good morning." Big breath in and out. You've got this. Step 2. Make your bed smooth the blanket, fluff your pillow, and tuck the corners. A tidy bed makes your room look great and helps you feel proud to start the day. Step 3. Wash your face and brush your teeth. Let's splash some water on your face. It feels so fresh. Now, grab your toothbrush, up and down, all around. Sparkle those teeth. Say it with me. Brush, rinse, smile. Step 4. Put on your clothes. Pick out something comfy and scurry. Maybe a shirt with your favorite color, or socks that match your shoes. Zip, button, snap. Now you're looking sharp. Step 5. Eat a healthy breakfast. Time to fuel your brain. Eat something yummy like fruit, eggs, cereal, or toast. Healthy food helps you learn, play, and stay strong all day long. You're doing great so far. If you're having fun getting ready, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who is getting ready for school too. Step 6. Pack your backpack. Let's check your list. Pencil, case, notebooks, lunchbox, water bottle, homework. Zip it up. Your backpack is ready to go. Step 7. Put on shoes and jacket if you need one. Slip on your shoes. Left foot, right foot. Is it chilly today? Don't forget your jacket or hoodie. Step 8. Say goodbye before heading out the door. Give a hug or a wave. Say bye. See you after school. A cheerful goodbye makes everyone smile. Step 9. Time to go. Walk safely, ride the school bus, or hop in the car. Remember to sit safely, wear your seatbelt, and be kind on the way. Let's review. What do we do to get ready for school? Wake up and stretch, make the bed washed face, and brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, pack your backpack, put on shoes and jacket, say goodbye, go to school. You're ready to learn, make friends, and have a fantastic day. If you liked getting ready together, be sure to subscribe to Sakha Kautzarasky for more fun daily learning videos. Before we go, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of your morning routine? Thanks for watching and getting ready with us. Have a happy school day. And remember, you are smart, kind, and ready to shine. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.